$27 degrees, and this out there. All nice and good. Nice and comfy in here, ain't it, babe?
Yep, it's warm. Alum Cove.
We're out here now.
It's called Alum Cove.
This is called Alum Cove, if you don't know. All right, bye-bye.